What happened to Mona?
It happened when I was in Uganda. She lost her life. There is an incident that also happened for a girl called Kyla who lost her life. That incident happened in one of Abe's apartment. Abby called me and told me, please can you go and see how you can handle this with the police. So I called the police. They found me on the scene. But the police has never called me to give a report about that. I think the police should have gone under further investigations, not just conclude the file as a suicide.
What was the moment when you decided you needed to leave Abby's operation?
We got a misunderstanding after him getting to know that I'm helping these girls to find life elsewhere. He was like, you are spoiling my business. The only thing that could stop Abby, it could be prison.
Done a drive past. There are 2 vehicles parked in the garage. We've seen Charles going in and out and taxiing the girls away from the accommodation.
Kind of blows my mind because almost exactly 3 years since Monica died, it looks like he's still running this operation.
Okay.
To get close to Abby, our undercover operative is posing as an events organizer for high net worth individuals looking for women for their parties. We're introduced to a guy who still works for Abby. He takes us to a location where Abby's meant to be.
Good to see you, dude. How you doing, man? Just got me. Okay, cool. How's the dog house place? Yeah, he has to move around, I understand.
Finally, Abby appears.
Whoa! Man, I've heard so much about you, man. How are you doing? Good. Yeah.
Yeah, tell me, what's up? What's going on?
So I've got a series of parties coming up, like once a week, 10 people. I need some entertainment.
So you have to tell me which guys you want. We've got like 24 guys.
They'll do whatever, like...
Many are open-minded. Many can do pretty much everything.
What's the normal price?
Starts from at least 1K. The girls will be happy like to take 1,000. Now, it's not fun. So the more crazy stuff they do, because they're going to tell you, it's what the guy will do, it's what the first sound, it's what kind of they're going to ask for that. Yeah.
Do they do Dubai porta potty as well?
Sorry?
Do they do Dubai porta potty stuff as well? And
I've told you, they're open-minded. When I say open-minded, and I will send you the craziest I have. And really enjoy how this one.
yeah? Okay.
So,
Should I take your number? I give you a call back.
Where are you from?
I'm West London.
What's the one? I was a bus driver in the UK.
No.
Oh, in East London. Bus driver.
His driving license confirms that he is indeed Charles Mwesigwa.
Yeah, how did you go from being a bus driver to working here?
I do phone business. I do mobile phones. So every month I'm in London to pick up mobile phones to Dubai. I'm in clubs. I look at pretty much options like that, black gowns. So there could be some kind of market for black gowns. And I see black girls from Dera. They should go out in their clubs. So I said to them, guys, why do you take the money outside? Why do you take the pound to Dera? That's what my business said. Why do you hang around in Dera in Dubai? I think we will trade a million pounds, but I'll still do it. Because like, I enjoy it's become part of me. You want a supper night tonight?
Yeah. Let me see. I've got a lot of stuff to do on with this, but I will. Should I give you a call? I might have some more detail to kind of work through. Yeah. Thanks to you, dude. Cheers. That was intense.
We stay in communication with Abby and plan a second meeting. Before leaving Dubai, there's one last thing I need to do. I was able to find the cemetery where Monica was laid to rest. Kayla's body was repatriated, but Monica's wasn't. She's still here, somewhere. I remember leaving Monica's family, and one of the key things that they wanted was to know where she was laid to rest. I'm told she's most likely buried in a part of this cemetery called the Unknown. You need a police permit to enter it, which, as a journalist, is too risky for me to get. There were like hundreds, if not thousands, of headstones here. Monica might not even have a headstone. So many of these graves are unmarked. It's just sad to think that Monica ended up here. But Monica deserved more. She deserved more. Sad, isn't it? I just feel like being so close to finding out where she was exactly buried. Being able to give that information to the family, to try and get Monica's body and repatriate it back home so she can be buried next to her father on the family land.
I think that this is where her life ended. There's construction work everywhere. It's rubbish on either side. It's not the way that I wanted to pay my respects, but this is Dubai.
Our undercover gets a video message from Abby.
In London, I'm going up north right now, for my auction ends tomorrow.
He says he's come to the UK for a mobile phone auction. It's an opportunity to confront him, but we need to find out where he's going to be. Our undercover reaches him on the phone.
The auction tomorrow, it's in Kendal.
No, I didn't even know it was a thing that they sold phones like that.
I'm very well connected.
Then Abby updates us on his operation in Dubai.
I've got some very, very fresh entries coming in next week.
Can you send me pictures?
Yeah, I can send you one of them.
Where did you find her? You
It's from Uganda.
Are they all Uganda? Oh, okay.
I've got another one coming in.
You've had no issues with anyone getting them in? Is it easy?